Kiama kia nurses kiugite ati kuringana na watho wa gatiba ni wetikiretie aruti a wira gukorwo mari thiini wa ciama cia aruti a wira undu uria unyititwo mbaru ni watho wa mwaka wa 2007 wa wandikani. Riu kiama kia manathi kiugite ati ni magaru na watho na uria Kanju ya Mangavana irendekithia na umane ati andiko na andikani vere na kihooto kuri CBA iria yagirirwo gwikirwo kirore. Seth Panyako ni agirie marua maria mandikitwo ni Kanju ya Mangavana kiene akiuga ati ni kuonania ati Kanju ya Mangavana ndiharirie kwaraniria na kiama kia manathi na gwikira kirore uiguano wa CBA.
It's very unfortunate because that letter shows clearly a sense of desperation, a sense of not willing to sit down and resolve this issue. We as a union, we have always been willing to sit down and resolve these issues.
Panyako augite ati o ni meharirie guikara thi na kwaraniria na Kanju ya Mangavana niguo kunina mugomo ucio.
We as a union, we are looking for a time when we'll have a meeting with His Excellency Nanok, with the governor for Turkana. We basically as a union don't have any personal issue with his leadership.
Kuringana na Panyako, kiama kia manathi gitikoretwo gigitumirwo mbeca cia amemba a kiama kia manathi kwa ihinda ria mieri 2. Umuthi ni thiku ya 13 manasis mari mugomo-ini. Ngiribotera Inooro TV gitagwo wa Ngari wa Njoroge.